Hey everyone, your Be Creative is here, and today I want to share a bit more of what's been going on behind the scenes. You guys probably already know the past few weeks has been tough. I've reached a point where I was about to give up, not just on this channel but on my dreams. But then I read your comments, your words, your encouragement. They reached me in a way you might not even realize. You pulled me back from the edge, and for that I'm truly grateful. It's important for me to be real with you. Life isn't always sunshine or rainbows. I faced challenges, doubt myself, and questioned the path I am on. But you, my followers, you stood by me. Your support became a lifeline, and it's something I won't forget. Now, I've decided to make some adjustments to the future plans on this channel. I realized that the importance of focusing on my academics more at this point in my life. It's not an easy decision, but it's necessary one, and I want you all to know that this doesn't mean I'm giving up on our community or our shared journey. I'm about to find a balance that allows me to keep creating content while also addressing other aspects of my life. First thing first, I've decided to switch up our upload schedule. Starting now, you can expect 2 videos from me every week. Yes, you heard it right. One of them will be shorter, more bit-sized piece of content, and other will be a longer, more in a depth video, maybe a tutorial or anything you guys have been loving lately. But I want you to have to say in what we create. Your opinions matter, and I'll be using community posts and polls to get your input on the topics you want to see. After all, this channel is as much as yours as it's mine, and I want to make content that you are genuinely excited about. And from now onwards, I'm going to put a bit more focus on my academics. It's an important step for my future career goals, and I believe it's the right time to invest in that aspect of my life. I'm working towards securing a job as soon as possible to support my family better, and I hope you all understand this decision. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Your support during this hard time has been overwhelming. It's heartwarming to see a community comes together and lift each other up. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I have received some financial assistance from some amazing individuals within our community, and I want to be transparent with you all. Once the channel starts earning, I plan to pay back or donate that money. And here's where you come in. I want to hear your thoughts. Should I repay those who helped me directly, or would you prefer we contribute to a charity, an NGO, or even support a struggling family or children? Drop your suggestions in the comments down below. Let's decide together. As we move on to the new chapter of our journey, I want to thank you once again. Your support fuels this channel, and I am excited about the incredible content we'll create together. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to participate in the upcoming polls. Until next time, take care, and let's make this journey amazing together.